Hi, this is an instructional on how to make the Easter bonnet wreath. Here I'm going to make one that's for a female, and over here I'm going to make one that's for a male. So you purchase your bonnet. I don't even know if they have any left. In our area, this was the last one today because I had already picked up. I've learned that you have to pick up while they have it, or the next time you go it's going to be gone. So you get a floral wire right here, and you're going to, let me turn this over, you're going to need 3 neck scarves, which I have here. You're going to need some ribbon that you're going to use around the crown. You're going to need pipe cleaners, and you're going to need pipe cleaners cut into a length that your fingers can tolerate. Now, I had to cut mine into thirds and then cut the thirds in half, because if I cut it into quarters, then it was just a bit too small for me and my fingers. And you're going to zip tie your hat onto the wire, and what I did was I zip tied in 2 at the top, and then 2 on the sides, and then 2 at the bottom here. And I would take, so it's going to leave you with 3 rows on the wire. So here I took the ends of the scarf and I bunched it and then twisted a pipe cleaner around it. And then the other end also, so this is the bottom, and they meet at the bottom. Then I would take it and then pull it evenly up here at the top, and then put the pipe cleaner here to make it so where I can get both sides even. And then of course I went east west, so I went south, north, east, west, and then I bunched and collected period, every few inches between the quarters. So I piped it in quarters, twisted the pipe cleaners in quarters, north, south, east, and west. And then I did northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. And that gave me my 2 rows. Now on the burlap, I did the same thing on the burlap ribbon, was I took the pipe cleaners, and of course you end up with this. And then over here, I took and zip tied through the ribbon. Now I've left these to let you show you what I've done. I zip tied the ribbon, which is right here. So I did 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and that held the burlap background right here around the trim of the crown. And then on the scarf, I twisted, and then of course I zip tied in the 3 spots that you saw over here where I've not cut my ribbon yet. So I zip tied the twist 3 times, and then of course at the south end is where your knot or your bow is going to be. So that is how you're going to make your Easter bonnet wreath. It's very easy, no glue involved. If you're like me, you hate burning your fingers on that hot glue, so I always try to find a way to do my crafts without having to use hot glue. Most oftentimes I don't succeed. But on another wreath that you can make is, they have the carrot jump rope. And then you're going to take your foam ring, or if they have another type, and you're going to wrap your rope around the ring with glue. So on this, you're either going to, you can use the tacky glue, which I'm going to use, but I'm going to pin down the rope so it doesn't move until the glue dries, but it just lasts a little bit longer hanging on a door. I find that the hot glue doesn't work so well in various weather patterns. So that's what I'm going to do here, just to make a simple carrot. And then, of course, I'm going to use this for the tops of the carrot. So it's going to, you can use green grass or green leaves out the top of the carrot, but I've decided to use the straw. So hopefully this is helpful and gives you some ideas, and I'll put up a picture of the carrot wreath on the group website, or group page rather. This is Cheryl Weatherley-Eaton, and it was nice to share with you.